Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you a quick and easy method to bypass the Google Dialer voice on your Android device. This can be super handy if you want to avoid the voice announcement being noticeable by the person on the other end of the call. So, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head to the Settings menu. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and look for Additional Settings. Tap on it to access more options. In the Additional Settings menu, you'll see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it to open the accessibility settings. At the top of the accessibility menu, you'll see different tabs. Choose the Vision tab to find the settings we need. Now, scroll down and select Text-to-Speech settings. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. In the Text-to-Speech settings, you'll see options to adjust the speech rate and pitch. Increase both of these settings. By doing so, the Google Dialer voice will announce too quickly, making it unnoticeable by the person on the other end of the call. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily tap out the Google Dialer voice. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.